do today? We are going to go do a little bit of four-wheeling with the Suzuki Q.U.A.D. Right now it's in cruise control because you see no hands on the throttle, because the throttle it tends to get a little sticky. There we go. Tends to get a little sticky because it's set for a while. So now and then I have to hit the throttle to get it to snap back so it don't rev up on me. But I can only do this one-handed. So there, now she'll speed up because I hit the throttle, then I gotta snap it. There we go, that's better. So going at this single-handed, I let my friend go ahead of me to knock down all the spider webs and sticker bushes. So if I had both hands I would cruise it down here a little bit faster, but still trying to recover from neck surgery. Trying to watch that sticker bush. And well, it's been a long time since I've been down here, so I don't know how this road is, but I know this much: this dang on shit, it's got a nasty rut in the road. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so trying to watch this dang on sticker bush, and I'm trying not to spill my drink. So I'm doing this single-handed here. Yeah, we're going to have fun today. You guys wonder what rednecks do on their fun day off.
Catchy, but if you sing it bad, well, you better play it really fucking good.
9mm in the hole. Well, I hate when them shells come back at you. It's like you can't hit the broadside of the barn. Damn it.
I'm gonna try to.
Live again.
Full? Yep. Well, and one double. stuff in there. I'm with you.
Whoop.
Maybe the babies are the wrong size for the litter. Or just a very cheap litter. Yeah, now. Right.
I think that was it. Yep.
Yeah, that little fucker rings, buddy.
Yeah, it does. Bang! One more.
One more.
Nah. Damn it.
Come out.
False alarm. Engage.
Maybe you run low on gas.
Well, I'm gonna walk out here and see how many times I hit the target. Because I keep getting hit by sticker bushes. Ow, you fucker. Somebody hit the can. Well, put a big old hole in that can. Then he hit the can a couple times here. Struck one right here. Went in and out the back side of that. Yeah, well, let's take a look at my bullseye. Yeah. Now, I say that's pretty good. One here, one there, one there, there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 380 and 9mm. and shot the coat hanger in half. There's the one half and there's the other. Nothing on the jar though. Well guys, as always, I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy 4th of July, my day off. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe. And as always, stay safe, be real, have fun. See you next time. Thank you for watching.